In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a local copy of your Figma file and open it. If you've ever wanted a quick backup on your computer, or you need to share a file outside of your team workspace, this is a simple and reliable way to do it. Start with your Figma file open. Look to the left side of the top bar for the Figma icon. This is the colorful logo that opens the main menu. Click that icon to reveal a list of options related to your current file. This is where Figma keeps important file actions, so it's the right place to go whenever you need to manage or move your work. From that menu, choose Save Local Copy. This tells Figma to create a .fig file on your computer. A .fig file is a complete package of your design. Frames, components, styles, and prototypes are bundled so you can store it, share it, or import it later. Think of it like a snapshot of your file at this moment in time. It doesn't replace your cloud version. It simply gives you a portable backup you control. Once you select Save Local Copy, Figma will start the export. In the desktop app, you'll see a brief confirmation and the file will be saved to your default location. In the browser, a download begins just like any other file, using your browser's standard download settings. There's nothing else you need to do here. When the download finishes, you've successfully exported it. To view what you saved, open the file you just downloaded. On most systems, double-clicking the .fig file will launch Figma and show you the contents. You'll recognize your pages, layers, and prototypes exactly as they were when you saved them. This is a great moment to confirm everything looks right, especially if you created the local copy for archival or handoff. Because it's a packaged file, you can keep it in a version folder, store it on a drive, or share it securely with collaborators who need an offline copy. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you use this workflow. Saving a local copy is ideal for backups before major changes when handing off work to another designer or when you need to keep a point-in-time record for review. If your file is large, the export may take a moment, so give it time to complete before you move or rename it. And remember, this method saves the whole file, not individual assets. Use regular exports for PNGs, JPGs, or SVGs. That's all there is to it. Click the Figma icon, choose Save Local Copy, and open the downloaded file to verify it. Simple.